Okay. Saan tayo nag-end? Wait lang ha. Tayo ay nakapagsagot na ng this one? Not yet.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa po.
Okay. So, hindi siya assignment ko na iniwan sa inyo?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Okay, sige. Balikan muna natin yung pinag-aralan natin last Monday, ha? Okay. So, last Monday, we discussed about the 3 categories of variation. So, you have there the piece-to-piece, within-piece, and time-to-time variation. Same with the factors contributory to those variations. So, that could be material, methods, equipment, tools, manpower, okay, human inspection, and so on. And we differentiate assignable causes of variation from the natural causes or chance causes of variation. So take note that the chance cause of variation is present but allowed. Okay? So hindi siya not easily identifiable, but then if kahit present siya, we can still say that the process is still in control. But then, if the variation present is assignable cause of variation, that is not allowed. That should be reduced, eliminated, okay? And the assignable cause of variation is easily identifiable and that is not allowed. Okay, so kita agad yan. Okay, kapag kapilat natin sa ating control chart and even then sa data, kita agad natin alin yung mag-fall outside the control limit. Okay? So, yun yung difference ng dalawa. Then, balikan natin. Pero itong problem na to, na discuss natin, nasagutan na natin. Ito, this is what I hate pagka ang klase ko ay ng umaga. Ako ba ay late ang dating sa inyo? Kasi I can't hear your answer. It's just a yes or no.
Yes po, ma'am.
Nasagutan ba natin to? Okay, sagutan na. Kayo ngayon uminom ng tubig ha, para may lumabas na boses sa inyong mga bibig. Hindi kayo makapagsalita ng yes or no eh. Hirap na hirap. Inom muna ng tubig. Baka dry yung inyong mga mouth. Mouth. Bibig. Okay. Class, the reason why tayo magtatagal, it's because hindi agad kayo sumasagot. You can say naman or you can answer naman yes or no. Okay? Naintindihan? Kasi pagka ganitong alas 7 at ang mga estudyante ay natutulog pa, ay di maganda, huwag na kayong umattend ng klase. Para yung iba na gising, di hindi maapektuhan. Kasi mapapadamay pa sila. Okay, so sabi nyo, nasagutan natin ito. So balikan natin yung formula na ginamit natin. Okay, magsagot ulit yun ng problem. Okay, wait lang. Magdadagdag lang ako ng, nasan ba ito? Anong slide ito? Wait. Saan ba yung slide ito? Isa pa. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong sample problem again. So, let's try to answer. Okay. So, we're going to set up an X bar and R chart on the process, then determine if the process is in control or out of control. So, you have here the following data. So, I just hope meron na kayong factor table sa inyo for your reference na mga values na gagamitin natin for the constant values of your D4, D3, A, and so on. Okay? So these are the datas. Then let's get the mean, A, and the range, the average mean and the average range. So ito po ay computed na. Yan. So ibig sabihin, ang nakuha natin na summation ng mean natin dyan ay 206.5. Okay, i-divide natin sa total number ng subgroup and that is 20. May point po yun. So, your x double bar here will be equal to 10.325. 10.325. And then for your summation naman ng R natin, ang nakuha natin is 12.5. So, kuhanin natin ang R bar natin and that is 12.5 divided by 20. So, ang answer natin dyan is 6.25. So, ibig sabihin, ito po ay value nito. Tapos, kinukuha natin dito ay x double bar. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this x double bar is our upper control limit. Same with our R bar. So, ngayon, kukuhanin naman natin ang ating ang upper control limit at saka lower control limit for x double bar, x bar, and R bar. Okay, wait lang. So, for the upper control limit ng x bar, so you have x double bar plus a sub 2 times your R bar. Tama po ba? And the value na nakuha natin for your x double bar ay 10.325. 10.325. And what is the value of your a sub 2 sa inyong factor table? A sub 2 sa factor table. Nasaan si factor table? So, a sub 2 sa factor table. So, a sub 2, ito 4, that is 0.729. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po, okay. So, 0.729, tandaan ha, kasi ako'y makalimutin. 0.729. And what is the value of our R bar? Nas-compute natin kanina.
6.25 po.
6.25.
Yes, Eliza, again.
6.25 po.
Okay, 6.25. So, what is now the value of our upper control limit ng X bar? Compute natin. Anong nakuha niya?
14.8813 po.
14.8813. Same answer po. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po. Yes.
Then, let's have now the lower control limit, and that is your x double bar minus A2 times your R bar. So, you'll have here 10.325 minus 0.729 times 6.25. And what is the value of your lower control limit?
5.7688 po.
7688. Same answer po.
Yes.
po. Yes po.
Okay. Then, let's now solve naman for our upper control limit ng R bar. So, that is your D4 times your R bar. Okay? So, what is the value of your D4 sa inyong factor table?
2.282.
Wait. 12 point? Is it 12? Right.
2.282 po.
Oh, sorry. 2.8. 282.
2.282 po.
282 times your R bar, that's 6.25. So what is your answer?
$14.2625.
25. Okay, same answer po.
Yes po.
Okay.
Po.
Then how about your lower control limit ng R bar? So you have your D3 times your R bar. What is the value of your D3?
Zero.
4.698.
Wait muna. The D3.
0 po.
Zero po.
0. And your R bar is 6.25. So, what is now your lower control limit ng R bar?
Zero po.
Meron. 0. Okay. Why? Sino? Tapos? Ano parandok? Ah. Okay. Baka naman saglit lang. Baka naman siya okay, so if we are going to check, okay, and of course, if you are going to plot the values, so we have here 14.8813 and 10.325 and 5.7688. Okay? So, ang ating highest dito na value ay 13.25. So, pasok. Okay? At ang lower control limit natin ay ano ang value na nakuha natin? 5.7688. Ang pinakamababa naman natin ay 6.5. So, pasok din po. Same with your range. So, ang pinakamataas natin ay 9 at ang pinakamababa natin ay 2. So, ang nakuha naman natin ay 14.2625 and for the lower control limit, that is 0. Okay? So, may question po about the X bar and the R chart. Wala naman. Silence means wala. Okay? Wala pa din. 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, wala pa rin.
Wala pa naman.
Wala pa naman. Siguro ay naano pa nila, pinaprocess pa nila sa mind yung question ni ma'am. Okay, sige. So, you just have to follow, need to follow the formula. I guess wala namang mahirap pa for the formula kasi you will have with you the factor table. So, no need to memorize the values as long as alam niyo kung paano hanapin. Baka lang magkamali dun sa number of sample. So, hindi nyo siya i-count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Titingnan nyo lang dun sa gilid kasi nag-start po siya sa 2 and not sa 1. Okay? So, again, for the upper control limit, kailangan lang natin kuhanin ang average ng mean. Same with the range. That is for your center limit. Then, kuhanin natin si upper control limit and the lower control limit both for your X bar and your R chart using those formulas. So you have it here. Sa X double bar plus A2 times your R bar for the upper control limit. For the lower control limit, you have your X double bar minus A sub 2 times your R bar. Then for the upper control limit ng R bar, you have your D4 times R bar. And for the lower control limit, that is D3 times your R bar. Okay? So let's move on with the next. Say for example, there are situations in which the sample size n is not constant. Okay? Another situation is that of variable sample size on control chart. That is, each sample may consist of a different number of observations. Another situation is that of making a permanent or semi-permanent change in the sample size because of costs or because the process has exhibited good stability and fewer resources are being allocated for process monitoring. So if that is the case, ang gagawin natin is to revise the trial limit. Okay, so ibig sabihin, meron tayong present na assignable cost of variation. And if that's the case, what are we going to do? Wait lang po. Okay. So say for example, you have here a control chart for X bar and R. And this one is measured in millimeters. So the data were collected in subgroup size of 6. So ang subgroup size ay 6, ang rational subgroup ay 25. Okay? And we are going to determine the central line central line, and control limits. Okay? Okay. Yan. So, first thing first we need to get first, okay? Pero, by inspection class, by simply looking or through your naked eye, makikita nyo na agad dito kung alin yung outlier or yung assignable cause. Okay? Kung malinaw ang inyong mata. Okay? Say for example, kung titignan natin si X bar, look at the values or the data present. So you have to 20.35, 20.40, 20.36, and so on and so forth. Okay? So halos magkakalapit yung values nila, except, as you can see, you have here 20.65. Kita nyo da? This one.
Yes po.
Mm-mm. And also your 20.20. Okay? Pero i-check pa natin yan. Ano, if this two talaga is considered to be our assignable cause of variation or ito ba yung out of control. Okay? Then for the R chart, yes, you have here 0.34, 0.36, 32, 36, and so on. And as you can see, you have here 0.73. Diba? So this one is already our assignable cause. So very far na yung data niya. And if we are going to plot that one, that will fall outside the control limit. So let's check if tama ba yung ating judgment. Okay? So nakuha na ngayon, yun lang ang problema, nakuha na po ang ating mean. Ang kailangan na lang natin kunin ay the average mean. So, help me nga po to solve the average mean, and somebody from the class also solve na rin po the average range para it will not take us that long kasi it's already 7:22 and siguro 5 minutes before 8 ay mag-end na tayo kasi may meeting po kami ng 8 o'clock. Okay nga. Sige nga daw. O, compute nyo ang average mean and the average range. So, what is the average mean? The summation muna ng mean na nakuha. Ay, nilipat ko. Na-solve niya ga? Sige, try to solve na lang ito. Ayun, lumipat. So, the summation of the mean, I guess that is what? 510.
510.01 po.
Yes, 510.01 divided by the rational subgroup. We have how many? 25? Is it 25?
Yes po.
Yes, and 510.01 divided by 25 is what?
20.4004 po.
20.4004. Okay? And, wait. So, this will be, mali pala ako. Sorry naman. So, ito ay x double bar na. Ang summation natin ay 510.01. Okay. So, 20.4004. Then, for our upper control limit ng X bar, so you have again X double bar, okay, plus A sub 2 times your R bar. What is our R bar? Anong summation ng R natin? Anong nakuha nyo?
8.89 po.
8.89. Okay. Then for our R bar, that is 8.89. Wait pala, sorry. The values given pala is already, yes, tama nga, tama naman. Divide 25 and that is, what is the answer?
0.3556.
3556 po.
3556.
Opo.
Okay. So that is X double bar is 20.4004 plus A sub 2. What is the value of your A sub 2? Your number of subgroup is 6. Okay? So what is the value of your A sub 2?
0.483 po.
0.483. 0.483 times your R bar, that is 0.3556. So what is now your answer? What is your answer?
20.1758 po.
20.1718.
58.
Then for, 58.
Apo.
Okay. Then for your lower control limit ng X bar, so that is your X double bar minus A2 times your R bar. And that is 20.4004 minus 0.483 times 0.3556. And that is equal to
19.8322 po.
8332. Okay.
8322 po.
8322. Ano ba yan? Ang bingi naman ni ma'am. Sorry naman. Naglinis naman ako ng tenga eh. Nung isang taon pa nga lang. 332. Okay. So, same then with our R. So, we are going to get the upper control limit ng R bar. So, that is D4 times your R bar. So, you have your D4. What is the value of your D4? 6 ang ating subgroup.
$2.004 po.
2.004 times 0.3556. Okay, that is
0.7126 po.
0.7126. Okay. Then for our lower control limit, that is D3 times your R bar. Your D3 is 0, tama? Times 0.3556, and that is 0. So take a look. So sabi dyan, the upper control limit is 20.17. Okay? So, we have here, para may mali tayo dito. Anong mali ko dito? So, sum niya, the summation is 510.01 plus, so the summation should be, teka ha, check ko lang. Kasi the upper control limit is 20.17. Kaya lang the values dito, so parang magpo-fall siya lahat sa,
Ma'am,
anong mali?
yung sa upper po, Ang
Ah,
sagot po ata dapat 20.5721.
bakit naging 20.17?
Hindi ko po.
Pero tama naman na 20.4004 plus 0.483, ano?
Opo.
Oo, kaya taka rin ako kasi hindi siya pwedeng maging 20 point, di lahat sila ay outside the control limit na. Okay? So, siguro napamali lang ng pindot o baka ako ang mali. 20 po ng sulat, 20.71,
5721 po.
20.571.
5721.
And
Tas
kindly check,
yung
yes, this
sa
lower.
lower po ay 20.2286.
Saan nanggaling yung answer natin? Baka may maligno na sa klase ha. Bebe, ulit ha, 20.2286.
2286 po.
Okay, so if we are going to check on the values, so 20.57 ang ating upper control limit. So kita natin that 20.65 already falls outside, right? Ano pa? So 20.57, so we have here 20.65, so X na siya. And our lower control limit na na-compute natin is 20.22, and we have here 20.20. So ibig sabihin, your 2020 is also an assignable cause of variation itong dalawa. So we have 2. Okay? Then for the R, ang nakuha natin sa R ay 0.7126, and we have here 0.73. So yung 0.73 natin is already out of control. Okay? And for your lower control limit, so ibig sabihin, si 0, so okay naman siya. So meron tayong dalawang assignable cause and meron tayong isa for your R. Okay? Sino yon? Hanap ako? Sorry kasi I'm in a hurry. Okay. So, since meron tayong dalawang assignable cause of variation for the mean, your X bar, and isa for the R chart, so i-apply natin yung ating revised trial limit. Okay, so based dun sa ating formula, your X bar ng old is equal to your X bar ng new. And your R ng old is the same as your R ng new. Okay? So, for your X double bar, so ang formula natin dyan is yung summation ng ating X bar minus your discarded mean divided by the number of subgroup minus your discarded subgroup. Okay? So, ano ba yung ating summation ng mean? So, you have 510.01 minus our discarded ay 20 point ano yun? 65?
Yes po.
Okay, 20.65 and 20.20. 20.65 minus 20.20 divided by ang ating subgroup ay 25. Tama po. Tapos ang ating assignable cause ay dalawa. So, ang dalawang ating discarded. Okay? So, what will be the value of your X double bar? Anong value That is
3983 po.
20.3983. Okay. Then, kuhanin natin ang upper control limit ng x bar new. So that is, ang formula natin for that one is your x double bar new plus your a and your standard deviation value. But then, so kailangan natin kuhanin ang value first ng standard deviation natin, and that is equal to, ang formula natin for that one is your RO divided by your D sub 2 na maliit. And your RO is equal to your R new. So kailangan natin kuhanin muna ang value ng ating R new. Okay, so ano ang value ng ating R new? That is equal to summation ng ating R minus your discarded na range divided by the number of subgroup minus your discarded subgroup. Anong value yung nakuha natin? Summation ng ating R? That is 8.89 minus 0.73 ang nakuha natin.
Yes po.
Divided by 25 minus 1 lang, isa lang ating discarded. So what will be your answer for your R new? R bar new?
0.34 po.
0.34. Okay? So that is 0.34. So, puntahan natin dito. So that is 0.34. What is the value of your D sub 2 na maliit sa ating factor table?
2.534 po.
2.534. 2.534. And that is equal to what? 0.1341. Okay? Tama ga?
Opo.
Yes. Dito ko na lang ilalagay sa kabila ha kasi masikip na. Hindi na magkasya. Baliktad na lang. Dito ko na. Okay. So, balikan natin sa ating x double bar ng new. Ang formula natin ay x bar new. X bar lang pala ng new is equal to your x double bar ng new plus your a times your standard deviation. Ang value natin na nakuha ay 20.3983 gaining. 8381.
83 po.
83 plus the value of your a is what?
1.225.
1.225 times your standard deviation value is ano ko natin? 0.1341? Hindi. 0.1341 nga. Tama po.
Opo.
Yes po.
0.1341. And your answer here is what?
$20.5626 po.
20.5626. Okay? Ano ay upper control limit. For the lower control limit ng ating x bar new, so that is x double bar minus a times your standard deviation. And that is 20.3983 minus 1.225 times 0.1341. And that will give us what? 20 point
2340 po.
40. 20.2340 ga?
Opo.
Okay. Then how about for our upper control limit ng new? You have D2. So what is your D2 value? Ano ang D2?
5.078 po.
Nanginginig ang kamay ko. Wait. Tingnan daw natin sa'yo. Ano? Sino ka ba? So, umuwi ako ulit eh. Nakikita ko na estudyante. Ano ba? Tangi plaza. Anong sagot?
Ano? Bakit naman? Yan.
Ikaw mo magsulat. Wait. Ano po? Sagot?
5.078 po.
5.90. Oh, wait, 5.9087.
5.078 po, ma'am.
Wait lang, sorry.
Okay.
5 point again?
078 po.
0.78. Then that's times 0.1341. So what is your answer?
0.6810 po.
Ay, ano ba yan?
6810 po. Yan po.
Sorry na. Sorry. Wait lang po.
Hindi ka pamali-mali.
Teka. Sorry. 6810.
Opo.
Yes po. Okay. Same answer po.
Yes po.
So for your lower control limit, you have your D sub 1 times your standard deviation value. Your D sub 1 is what? Is it 0?
0 po.
Times 0.13. So your answer is, wait, sorry naman. Minsan lang naman makapagsabi mag-init ng tubig.
Kaya nga, sweet ako sa'yo ngayon. Pakisama.
Okay, so your answer is 0. If you are going to look at the data again, so that one will fall already sa ating control limit. So ibig sabihin, that is already in control. Ano po? Kasi, ano nga, yung values na nakuha natin doon, that is 20.63. Ano po? So here, yes. Okay. So as you can see, hindi pa rin pala, kasi 20.63 and ang lower natin is 20.23, but then we have there 20.63 and 20.20. So here, hindi pa rin siya in control. Okay? So siya po ay out of control. Okay? So may question po kayo. Third year po. Any question?
Wala na po, ma'am.
Pina-process muna ulit. Wait muna. Balikan natin. So you have, so kinuha natin yung upper control limit ng x bar new, same with the lower control limit. So, wait, so it's you. Yan. So your x bar new is equal to your x bar ng old. So you have your x double bar naman. So kailangan natin i-identify yung assignable causes of variation. Same way the discarded, okay? Mean and your discarded number of subgroup. Okay? So parehas yan for your x bar and your R chart. Okay po? Okay po. Naintindihan?
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. Then how about for the S chart? Kaya lang, sige, kahit the formula na lang, then I'll leave the example sa inyo since yung bading. Ang picture. Okay. So, sinabi na natin to before, we mentioned this one, that if the subgroup size is greater than or equal to 10, so it's more appropriate or accurate to use an R chart. The S chart rather, instead of an R chart. So, for the trial control limit, so for your S bar, so kukuhanin natin ang summation ng standard deviation divided by the number of subgroups. So, ang question ko dito is, what is the formula for your standard deviation?
Di ba na yung pabango?
Malig ka, suka ang pabango ko. Okay. Okay. So, your formula is the square root of your summation ng x minus x bar divided by n minus 1. Tatandaan niyo po yun ha. So, that is summation ng x minus x bar divided by n minus 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, you need to get the value of your mean para makuha natin si standard deviation. Okay? So, for your upper control, rather, for your center line or center limit, so that is summation ng inyong standard deviation divided by the number of subgroup. Okay? For your x double bar naman, so same pa din, you have your summation ng mean divided by the number of subgroup. Then for your upper control limit, so you will be using your x double bar plus the factor table. So, A3 naman po ang gagamitin natin dito times your S bar. For the lower control limit, you'll have x double bar minus A3 times your S bar. For upper control limit ng S chart, you will have your B4 times your S bar. And for the lower control limit, you'll have your B3 times S bar. So, the values of A3, B4, and B3 ay nasa ating factor table. Okay? So, this one naman, the lecture naman ay na-send ko na sa inyo, ano. But then, yung may solution po ay isend ko sa inyo kapag tapos natin i-discuss yung topic. Okay? So, for the revised limits for S chart, it's just the same with the revised limits for X bar and your R chart. Okay? Okay? Yan. So, may question ba kayo?
Ako wala akong nakaka-clear. Clear ba sa tubig?
Hindi niya pa nasasagot yung tanong.
Wala na po, ma'am.
Wala na sigurado.
Bakit ang ganda mo talaga yun?
Wala.
Parang
Year.
Ay, binago.
Okay, so kung wala na pong question, sige. Hindi pa ako magpababay.
Hindi ka
49 naman daw. Bibitik ka lang.
29. Ayan, I know. Tama, isa lang yung nagpaalam. Walang anak sa kanila. Okay, so kung wala ng question, so we'll have our face-to-face class on Monday. Yes? So, i-continue natin yung discussion. So, we'll see each other again on Monday. So, thank you for today. God bless everyone and keep safe as always. Bye for now. Thank you.